Replacing your windows is one of the most significant ways to improve the comfort and beauty of your home. In this video, we'll show you how Andersen makes replacement easy with double-hung insert windows that fit inside your existing window frame. Plus, we'll provide an overview of how to install one. With Andersen insert windows, your original window frame and trim stay in place, so there's minimal disruption to your home. We offer a choice of two double-hung insert windows: Andersen 400 Series Tilt Wash double-hung insert windows and Andersen 400 Series Woodwrite double-hung insert windows. Both windows offer the quality and performance you've come to expect from Andersen. Today, we'll show you how to install the 400 Series Tilt Wash insert window. But whichever you choose, the installation process is the same. We'll be working in the Andersen Learning Center, a facility dedicated to training for installation and service of Andersen windows and doors. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Assessing your window opening. Before ordering insert windows, a proper assessment of your existing window frame is critical to make sure an insert window will work in your home. First, verify that your existing window frame is in good condition, free from damage or rot. Next, check that your window is square. Diagonal measurements must be within 1/8 of an inch. Then, check that the opening from the inside stop to the outside of the window is at least 3 1/4 inches deep. Be sure not to include the exterior trim in your measurement. If your window opening doesn't meet these requirements, you may need to consider conventional window replacement, which involves the removal of the entire old window, including the frame. This window meets the criteria, so we can keep the old frame in place and use an insert window. Step 2. Measuring your window opening and sill angle. You will need to collect 3 measurements for an Andersen double-hung insert window: the width, height, and sill angle. For accuracy, measure the width and height of the opening in 3 locations. Then, use the smallest of the measurements rounded down to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. A unique feature of Andersen 400 Series insert windows is that there are multiple sill angles available. Andersen leads the industry by offering 3 options. Choosing the right sill angle helps improve the finished appearance of your window, allows for a secure fit, and saves time during installation. To select the correct sill angle, use an angle finder and the Andersen measurement guide located at andersenwindows.com/replacement. Or if you have a smartphone, use an app such as Bubble or iHandy to determine your existing sill angle. Step 3. Removing your old window. Before starting, make sure you have the following tools and read the installation guide completely. Prior to removing your old window, measure your new window to make sure it will fit. The new window should be 3/8 of an inch narrower than the opening width and 1/4 of an inch shorter than the opening height to allow for installation clearance. If your window needs staining, you may find it easier to apply stain before installation, which is what we did with this window. It's stained and ready to be installed. The first step in removal is to take out the old stops and sash. The stops, which keep the sash in place, can be saved and then reapplied later. If you have an old window that has cords or chains, you will need to cut them before you remove the sash. Then remove the inside stops. Once removed, set them aside to reuse later. Now, remove the top sash. Finally, remove any pulleys and weights if they're present. And insulate the weight pockets and pulley openings with fiberglass insulation. Then, reapply the weight pocket covers. Step 4. Installing your new window. Before starting the installation process, dry fit the window in the opening to check for a proper fit. Then, apply a bead of sealant according to the installation guide included with the window. After applying the sealant, raise the bottom sash and tip the window into place. Then pull the sill tight to the stool. Fasten with supplied screws through the pre-drilled holes in the liner and frame, but do not fully tighten. Check that the window is level and square. If not, shim is needed. The shims are included in your installation kit. Then, tighten the installation screws. Test to make sure both upper and lower sash operate and tilt properly. Then return both sash to their closed position and lock. Insulating around the window from the interior is critical for maximum energy efficiency. Loosely pack fiberglass batt insulation around the perimeter of the window. Avoid overpacking the insulation. It reduces the effectiveness of the insulation, and it can also affect the proper operation of the window. Next, apply the interior trim stops. For a finishing touch, Andersen offers interior stops that are a perfect match for your new windows. Then, insert the installation hole plugs in the upper jamb liner. On the exterior, insert the foam backer rod provided in your installation kit between the frame and the opening, splitting the backer rod if necessary. The foam backer rod helps seal perimeter gaps and provides a stable surface for sealant, allowing for a weather-tight seal. Then, apply sealant to the full perimeter of the window. Next, apply the exterior stop covers. An Andersen exclusive, our stop covers are made of our patented Fibrex material and provide a finished look to your new window. Finally, the last step is to apply sealant between the exterior casing and the stop covers. No one is more committed to making replacement easier, more energy efficient, or more beautiful than Andersen. To find more detailed installation instructions or to find an Andersen dealer, visit AndersenWindows.com.